Heading into the wilderness can be thrilling, but also unpredictable. Whether you're a seasoned hiker or a weekend camper, having a well-prepared medical kit could be a lifesaver. In this video, we'll go over how to build a practical wilderness medical kit and the survival principles that could keep you alive when medical help isn't an option. When treating injuries in the wilderness, follow these critical steps. The airway must be clear. Pack tools like a nasal airway for emergencies. Respiratory issues can be fatal. Bring a CPR pocket mask for safety and familiarity with rescue breathing techniques. Have supplies to stop bleeding. Include adhesive bandages, gauze, and a tourniquet. Sterile dressings can also prevent infections. Injuries to the spine or limbs need quick stabilization. Lightweight splints or a SAM splint can make a big difference, along with knowledge on using natural resources for immobilization. Always be prepared to manage hypothermia or heat stress. Carry thermal blankets, sun protection, and treatment options for bites, rashes, and exposure-related conditions. Adjust your medical kit for the conditions you'll face. For example, in hot, humid environments, pack electrolytes, oral rehydration salts, and supplies for treating bites and stings. In cold, high-altitude locations, include altitude sickness medication, hand warmers, and cold weather clothing to help manage potential hypothermia. Focus on items that can serve multiple purposes, saving space in your pack. A multi-tool with scissors, tweezers, and a knife can be invaluable. Also, include duct tape for makeshift repairs or splints, and antiseptic wipes, which can be used for wound cleaning or fire starting. Don't just assemble your kit and forget about it. Regularly check the expiration dates of medications, restock used items, and tailor the kit for each specific trip. It's also wise to practice using the supplies before you actually need them. To sum up, prioritize the ABCDE steps in emergencies and adjust your wilderness medical kit based on the environment. Keep it lightweight by choosing versatile tools, and make sure you're familiar with the contents. Being prepared could make all the difference. Before your next outdoor adventure, take a wilderness first aid course and review your kit to ensure it's ready. Stay vigilant, stay prepared, and most importantly, stay safe out there.